In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to a Big Cartel store using Dropinblog, and we'll complete this in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, make sure you head over to Big Cartel's website. It's a fantastic platform offering free and easy online stores tailored specifically for artists and small businesses. Once you're there, you'll want to identify the login button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and give that a click. Next up, you'll find yourself on the login page. Here you'll need to input your shop URL and your password. Your shop URL is essentially the unique web address for your store, the one you chose when you first created your Big Cartel account. Type that in along with your password and then hit login. Once logged in, you'll be at the heart of your Big Cartel store, the dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage products, orders, and more. From the dashboard, navigate to the apps section. You'll find this option in the main menu. Look for the icon or the word apps and click on it to proceed. Inside the apps section, your mission is to locate the marketing and promotion tools. Scroll through the list until you find exactly what you need. You're on the lookout for the Dropinblog app. It's the tool we'll be using to seamlessly add a blog to your store. Once you've spotted the Dropinblog app, click on it to open. You should see an option to install. Click on install and carefully follow the installation prompts. The steps will be straightforward, guiding you through the process. Just follow along and you'll have Dropinblog set up in no time. Before you proceed any further, it's crucial to note that the Dropinblog app works best with an upgraded Big Cartel account. If you haven't upgraded yet, you may want to consider doing so to take advantage of the full capabilities that Dropinblog brings to the table. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've integrated a fully functional blog into your Big Cartel store using Dropinblog. Now you can start creating engaging content that resonates with your audience, driving traffic and potentially boosting sales. That wraps up our quick guide for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now you're all set to start maximizing your store's online presence with a spiffy new